This video is going to show you how to make drop-down menus using Microsoft Excel. Adding drop-down menus can be a nice organizational feature that simplifies filling in a spreadsheet in addition to ensuring uniformity. So here we go. First, open Excel. Select a regular Excel workbook. First thing you'll do is select the cell that you wish to add a drop-down menu in. I'll just use this first cell since this is a random example. Now look to the top of the screen for menu choices. Select the Data tab and you'll see the subsection of Tools. We're looking for this Validate menu. Click on it and select Data Validation. So now we get to the good stuff. First, look to this Allow menu, and you wish to allow a list, which is about halfway down. Pretty logical. And for this example, let's use the days of the week. When you are entering in the options you want to see on the menu, use a comma to separate them. You don't need any spaces. And be careful about your use of capitalization and lowercase letters because the way it looks here is how it will appear on your menu. So select OK. And you'll see that next to the cell we originally selected, these little arrows appear. So until you click on the arrows, you'll see that these were all of the options we listed earlier. So pretty simple process. In the first part of the video, I showed you how to manually enter the options for an individual drop-down menu. Now I'll show you another technique. First, enter your options in the regular spreadsheet. For this example, I will enter the options here in column J. Just it's out of the way, convenient. And let's do the days of the week again. Now click on a new blank cell where you want to add the new drop-down menu. So we'll repeat the process of go back to the Data tab, Tools, subsection, the Validate button, Data Validation. We're going to allow a list again, and then this is where the process changes. Instead of typing in our options manually in this box, we're going to click this button on the side of a spreadsheet, and you'll see the dialog box shrink. You can move it out of the way. And then you want to come select the text that you've already entered on your spreadsheet, and we'll do so by selecting the entire column. And you'll see this code pop up here, which is the Excel code for the column of J. And then click on this little button on the right again, and you'll see that this code showed up as your source where we had originally typed in the options we wanted to see, and select OK. So come over to our selected cell for the drop-down menu, click on the arrows, and you'll see our options again. What's important about using this style of typing in your options on the spreadsheet and then selecting the whole column is that if I modify this column, it automatically changes our drop-down menu, so they're added here. And that's a lot easier for future use if you want to be modifying your menus. So that is two different ways that you can use to make drop-down menus in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video.